What up, ladies and gents? It's Charles the Chimp here, and I'm about to do another unboxing video. I got with me the top-notch iPhone. Let's go ahead. Alright, there's my hands. I think those are my hands. They could be my hands. Whatever. Let's go ahead and open this up. And we're in. Let me see the, why is my eyes blinking like that? Why is my eyes closing like this? This is weird. Why is it doing that? Where's my, maybe if I open my eyes like this, it'd be better. Yeah, we're in the iPhone now. It's great. Ha ha. A bunch of manuals and nonsense that we actually don't need. I'm gonna go ahead and toss those off to the side. The headphone adapter, the charging brick, the charging cable, all this crap that we have like 90 of and we don't really need them anymore. I'm gonna peel this sweet plastic off. Let's hear the nice sound of it coming off this $1,000 iPhone. This thing is over $1,000. Oh my God. Right, here it is, and this thing is sweet. Oh my God, look at it. It's shiny, glass all over, ready to break. Gonna do a little comparison here with the iPhone 7 and the iPhone X. They feel similar in my hands. The iPhone X is a little bit bigger. Feels great. Aha, gonna go through the setup process here and get this thing all opened up and see what it looks like on the inside. I've seen like 1,000 videos of it already, so let's fast forward through this setup process here. You guys really don't want to see this, and I don't want to do it, but I got to do it to open the phone, so here it goes. Fast forward. Man, this iPhone is pretty sweet, isn't it? Look at it. It's $1,000. And it's the top-notch iPhone you can get right now. Top-notch. Top-notch. Get it? Top-notch. No. Okay. All right, I'm going to go through the app switcher, the multitasking app switcher, see how it works. It's kind of weird, but it's something we all got to get used to. Watching a little video to see how the notch comes in play. The notch? No? Okay, no more notch. No more notch. Face ID recognition. See if it can unlock with my face as my ID. I also got a wireless charger, which is not really wireless because it's still plugged into the wall and it still has to make contact to your phone. So is it really wireless? What up, dog? What up? Snoop Doggy Dog. What up, dog? Doggy Dog Dog. I would think wireless would be just set it on my desk and that shit just starts charging right away. Just anywhere on my table, in my bag. Alright guys, before I go, I got a joke for you. What do you call a monkey in a minefield? A baboon! Baboon? Baboons hate this. All right, guys. All peace and love. Charles the Chimp out. Peace. Have a great day.